This is a Japanese recipe. They call it appetizer. Hello guys, welcome back to Lauren's Garden. This is Lauren, and today we have something to do. Maybe for some of you, this is not so familiar. I'm talking about the bottle gourd vegetable. Oh, by the way, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification button and also the like button. Please stay tuned. So guys, first I want to show you my bottle gourd. These are two plants and they are I don't know, crossing each other. Here is the other one and the other one is here. So yeah, everywhere has a new growth in it. So there's a lot of these young sprouts all over the place. And because my trellis is so small, I need to prune those new shoots. So what I'm going to do for you now is I'm going to prune the new shoots of this bottle gourd. I also have two plants here with the beans, but the bottle gourd has overtaken all the things, so there are two plants there, and yeah, it's all over the place. I didn't imagine that this will gonna grow like this. Look at that, everywhere. Maybe here in the video you can't notice those new growths, but if you're here guys, you can see there are lots of it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to harvest these young shoots and I'm going to cook it later. So now I'm putting my camera and I'm here behind it, and I have a pruner. I also have a ladder there, a small ladder, but the soil on the raised bed is too soft and the ladder was gonna buried, so I don't use it anymore. So I'm here guys, searching for those young shoots, but I should take care of cutting that young shoots because there are female flowers in there, most of them. So I'm only going to get those that doesn't have female flowers. Here I have here, and here is the other part, and I'm carrying my small ladder, and I'm going also to harvest the young shoots here, or the sprouts. So guys, I'm searching all the young sprouts here, and I'm going there. I also have here one plant with the squash together, and I'm done. So guys, here are our bottle gourd sprouts harvest. So now I'm going to show you how to clean it. Maybe for others this is lots of work, but anyway, I'm gonna show you how to clean it. So guys, this is how we clean this one. So remove all the tendrils like that, and then we remove the skin like that. So if you are sensitive with smell, it has a smell, but it smells like overpowered cucumber. So and then I'm going to break it like that, just like that. Removing the skin of the shoots is to avoid the chewiness of it. But anyway, it's edible, but it's chewy. So my husband doesn't like chewy chewy vegetables. That's why I remove all that. So, and I'm going to put here first and continue removing those skins. So guys, I have cleaned the Bottle Gourd Young Sprouts. So here it is. So guys, come with me in the kitchen and I'm going to cook 2 dishes out of this Bottle Gourd sprouts. So guys, after picking and cleaning the Bottle Gourd sprouts or young shoots, it's time to cook. Watch out for it. So guys, I have here a pot with water, and I'm going to put a little bit salt in it and wait until the water boils, and then I'm going to put this vegetable or the Bottle Gourd sprouts. So now I'm putting the Bottle Gourd sprouts. I didn't immediately on the camera, so but the water was already boiling before I start to put this. And then what I'm going to do is cover it and wait for until it cooked. And here it is. It's already cooked. You haven't seen it cooked, but it's cooked. And now I drained it. And now I'm going to prepare the sauce for the Japanese appetizer. This is a roasted sesame seeds, and then I'm going to pound it until it's a little bit powdery. And this is 2 tablespoons, guys. 2 tablespoons of roasted sesame seeds. And then our next ingredient is sugar. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So this is a medium brown sugar, but you can use white sugar if you like. Any sugar can do. So 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm using here soy sauce. I have 2 types of soy sauce here. One is Philippine, but I don't use that. This is a Japanese soy sauce, what I'm going to use for now. This is Kikuman. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You can any soy sauce will also do, but I prefer using the Japanese one because this recipe is Japanese. So what I'm going to do next is mix the ingredients. The roasted sesame seeds, and then the sugar, and then the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Yeah. And then mix it well together until it becomes yeah. And I portioned our vegetable in 2 portions. So mix, mix, mix. And later on I'm going to pour the half of the vegetable here. So here it is. Because the half of it I would like to cook it with a different recipe. So, but this is the appetizer, Japanese appetizer. If I'm not mistaken, it is called nomimono. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. I forgot lots of Japanese words already. So it's finished. We are going to cook the rest of our vegetable. So it's a 1 portion, 1 order. It's already cooked, but it should be cooked again. So we need pork belly, or I'm going to use here a bacon strips, but it is better to use fresh meat. You can use chicken, you can use fish, tuna, or something like that, but I don't have fresh pork belly. That's why I'm using the bacon, and I'm using 1 clove garlic and small onion. So because this is not a fresh meat, I'm not going to saute first the meat. Instead, I'm going to saute all the ingredients. Look at that, this very smoky. With bacon it is easy to, or with bacon the ingredients are easy to burn. So now I'm putting the vegetable because the bacon is already a little bit burned. Not the bacon burn, but the bottom of the pot. So just saute it. This is a very fast procedure, and because this is bacon, this is already salty, guys. I'm going to taste it first. Yeah, it's already a little bit salty, but if you use fresh meat, you can put soy sauce or fish sauce or salt in it, and then pepper. So, and after few seconds it's done. That's it. Taste it. So guys, it's finished and I'm going to do the plating. So just like restaurants, oops, they also do the plating. But I don't have here my tripod, that's why. My tripod for now is a bottle of oil in front of me. So yeah, it smells good, guys. So guys, that's my tool recipe. Anyway guys, you can put this bottle gourd sprouts in any dish that you can put vegetable in it. So this is a all around vegetable. So I'm going to show you now. So guys, here are my 2 recipes of the Bottle Gourd Shoots or Young Sprouts, and this one is sauteed with bacon, or you can saute it with pork or anything, any kind of. You can also saute it with tuna or something like that. So, and yeah, let's taste it. And what you can do is you can try it so that you know what I'm saying here. So guys, here is my recipe with bacon, and let's try it. It's yummy. This is the appetizer. This has a sweet taste, of course, because of the sugar that we added to the ingredients, or yeah, to the sauce. If you're asking me which one do I prefer to eat, I like more this one. I like this one. I like the Japanese one. I like the Japanese style than this one. So anyway, it's yummy. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching my new recipe here in my YouTube channel. I hope you like it, and thank you very much in advance to all of you, especially to those who are very supportive to my channel, my friends. And yeah, I still don't have community. I have friends that are so supportive. So thank you very much, guys. Yeah, God bless you all. Again, this is Lauren. God bless you all.